Hello kids, I hope so you all are fine. So today I'm gonna teach you birds names in English. Let's get started. So we have parrot, parrot. Then we have dove, dove. This is sparrow, sparrow.
Sparrow.
We have pigeon, pigeon. Crow, crow. This is eagle, eagle. This is owl, owl. This is woodpecker. What is this? Woodpecker. This is ostrich, ostrich. Duck, duck. Flamingo, flamingo. Rooster, rooster. This is peacock, peacock. Swan, this is swan. Quail, quail. I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe the channel, share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye kids.